Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you're doing fine. This is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm bringing you Gumball and Darwin. I'm gonna start by measuring Gumball's height, and I know for a fact that Darwin is a bit shorter than Gumball. So I draw a circle for Gumball's head and another one for Darwin's. So here I'm marking the usual central line. And now I measure the approximate size of the body according to the side of the head. So I reckon it's gonna be something around here. So here I'm marking a line to have a reference for Gumball's nose. Gumball's eyes are gonna be two big ovals. Now I can start working on the actual shape for Gumball's head. So I figured this is gonna be the waistline, so we can start drawing the rest of the body. There we go. Here are the feet. And for his hands, since they're gonna be on his waist, I'm just gonna place a couple of circles and then I'm gonna connect the shoulders to the hands. Now Darwin doesn't have a nose, so I'm gonna get a reference line for the center of his eyes. So I'm gonna make a big mouth, and unlike Gumball's, his eyes are gonna be two circles. Now for the shape of his head. And his arms are gonna be like two chubby letters S. One S here. So we just need to place the irises, couple of eyelashes, and then Darwin's legs. Okay, I guess the basic sketch's done, so let's start strengthening the lines. Alright, when I got to this point, I saw that something really important was missing. So I had to fix this right away. I'm sorry. That happens. And we're done. Gumball and Darwin already. I know we had a little more information than usual this time, but I hope it hasn't been too difficult for you. That was all for this video. Thank you very much for watching up to this point, and please stick around with one more suggestion from YouTube. Please be back for more videos and for some more fun with a pencil. Bye bye.